Hello everyone, this is Reeshema Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how are you doing today? Now you know I'm here to give you the weekly update of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. So let's start off with the weekly job board. Here's just a very small list of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. Check them out. Now we have several companies that are looking for talent like you. So let's check out their flyers. These are just a very small list of all the great career opportunities that are available. But if you want more information, whether it's salary, their job location, we encourage you to visit www.ncworks.gov. You can search by employer, you can search by location, you can even search by job title. Now, if you want a referral or you want to apply through NCWorks, you got to be registered. And how you get registered, you know the website, www.ncworks.gov. Please make sure you update your address. You have a professional email and a working telephone number in your profile. Now, if for some reason you're not good with computers, you're having a hard time, or the only thing you're doing is applying for jobs on your phone, you got spotty internet, we have 11 computers. You're more than welcome to come here, use our career centers to apply for jobs, get registered for NCWorks, and ask for assistance. Our hours are from 8 to 4:30, Monday to Friday. You can visit us here at 2836 Neuse Blvd here in New Bern. Now, some of you are asking, well, where do I find my nearest career center? Well, it starts with our great website, www.ncworks.gov. Once you go to that website, you're going to scroll down. It's going to say Find a Center. You click on that, you can search by zip code, you can search by county, you can search by region, or you can search by all offices. You click on that, it's going to show you your nearest career center, their hours of operation, so therefore, and their telephone number. There you can reach out and make an appointment with their career advisor and get your NCWorks profile squared away so you can get that job that you're looking for. Each week, we come to you with all different events. This week's no different. First, this Wednesday, March 2nd, from 9 to 4, North Carolina Department of Public Safety is holding a hiring event at Pamlico Correctional Institute. Again, it's going to go from 9 to 4. They're hiring for correctional officers, they're hiring for maintenance personnel, and they're hiring for nurses, LPNs, RNs. So if that's you, or if you're looking for a career change, we encourage you, save the date, make a point to go out there to that hiring event at the Pamlico Correctional Institute and talk to their human resources. You'll be surprised what skills that you have that they're looking for, and you'll be part of a great team. Now, we also got 2 workshops going on. First, Marketing You series, we're doing the resume and cover letter. Again, all this is in preparation of our 2022 Craven Works Job Fair and Resource event. So again, resume cover letter taking place Friday from 9:30 to 11:30. How do you get registered? Call 252-5 252-514-4828. Again, that telephone number is 252-514-4828 and get registered. Now also, Pamlico County, we're coming your way. We will be at the Pamlico Public Library on Friday from 4 to 6. Plan your career workshop. We're going to cover LinkedIn. We're going to cover, again, resumes and cover letters. We're going to cover NCWorks 101. Again, all these workshops are to prepare you to go to that job fair or go to any job fair in the state of North Carolina and get you a job. That's all this is. Okay, again, all these workshops are free, but they're to empower you to go in there, put your best foot forward, and get that job offer. In summary, we covered the weekly job board. Again, small list of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the local area. We also highlighted several companies that are looking for talent like you, so you need to check them out. Now, if you're not in this area, I guarantee there's some great career opportunities where you're at. All you gotta do is go to the what website? That's right, www.ncworks.gov. You can put your zip code in, and it's gonna show you all the great career opportunities where you're at. Also, we have a hiring event Wednesday, March 2nd, Pamlico Correctional Institute, North Carolina Department of Public Safety from 9 to 4. Again, they're looking for correctional officers, maintenance personnel, and nurses. Plus, we got 2 workshops, Marketing You, Resume and Cover Letter, here at our Career Center from 9:30 to 11:30. And we also will be at the Pamlico Public Library Friday from 4 to 6. Plan your career workshop. Again, all this is to empower you so you can get that career that you're looking for. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful week, and we will talk to you soon.